Day 52, becoming financially free, testing side hustles.
I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page and I'm collecting emails every day.
So right now I'm focusing on building my email list.
And for all the people who subscribe to my email list, I have this 4-day training. The first day is an overview, how to do affiliate marketing the right way.
Because people can send traffic to their affiliate link. And yes, they could make a quick sale. But if you want to build this the right way and for the long term, you need to collect an email list.
Inside of my Get Response account, I have 947 emails.
And the other thing is that when you have an audience that know, like, and trust you, you can promote multiple products to that list.
I can go to email marketing, click on create newsletter, and I can promote links through emails.
Building an email list, it takes time, hard work, and effort because you need to use your time to create content. Or if you have some money extra, you can pay for ads. Now, let me give you a quick tip if you want to start creating content.
Let's say that I'm going to record a video and I'm going to use this keyword for my title, Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing in 2023 for Beginners. In this section, I have all the stats for that keyword. And this is a software that I have installed. And if I click here for the weighted score, it tells me that the overall score for my YouTube channel, which is the weighted, it's not that good. So I need to find a better keyword on the green section if I want to have a high probability to rank on the first spots on YouTube. Check this out. If I use affiliate marketing explained for beginners in 2023, the overall score is good.
That means that I can use that keyword for my title, or if I want a better score, I need to keep searching. And this is the reason why I use software to promote products.
This is like a 24/7 sales system. I have set up my opt-in page for collecting leads and also this email sequence to promote the affiliate offer. All this system is automated and I need to focus on the traffic side by creating content or paying ads.
That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.